Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how cheat fund will work in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the group management, I will go to the create group. So here you can see I have created two groups of bidding. So bidding is the cheat fund only. So now for example, let's say this, I will select Govinda, and here the group entry form I have mentioned all the details. So here you can see I have selected this bidding advance. So there are different types of bidding. One is bidding normal and this is bidding advance. So in bidding advance we can declare the cheat, we can draw the cheats, and then we can do the collection. And in normal bidding we need to collect the amount first and then we can draw the cheats. So here you can see 5 members, equal member 10,000 is the installment amount and total group amount is 50,000. So total contribution is individual contribution 1,20,000. So minimum and maximum bidding percentage. So here all the information we need to fill up and just click to the create. So after that, let's go to the create member. So this is create member form, and here you can create the member. So I have already created the member, and if I go to the add member to group, so here you can see if I select here Vasudev, so here I have added 5 members to this group. So if I select, let's say, Govinda, so here you can see I have added 5 members, and let's go and check the set member account. So here set member account, I will select Govinda and refresh. So here you can see I have set the account from this set member option. So account set means this RD. If I select this RD, so this is recurring deposit that is created for each member. So here I will go to the tracker, and here you can see actually one cheat I have declared. So first installment is different and other installment you can see that is 10,000. So here let's go to the group management and plan auction. So here you can see under Vasudev I have already planned some auction. So for example, let's say today I want to plan one auction again at 11:30 and just click to save. Now you can just refresh this page and go to the plan auction. So here you can see price bid button. So you need to click on the price bid. So here there are 5 members equally contributed 5,000, and that is for 12 months. So the total amount is cheat value, total amount is collected 25,000. So here you can see here I can declare the price for, let's say, C customer. The price amount is, let's say, 15,000. So the remaining bid amount, the 15,000 will be given to the member C, and remaining 10,000 of that 10,000 on this cheat value remaining, that will be the 5% commission of 750 to the company, and remaining 10,000 minus 750, this is total dividend amount, and this total dividend is divided to equally to all the members. So we can just click to save. So this is saved. Now if I go to the field collection, deposit collection list. So here you can see we need to receive one by one collection of these members, and if I select this, let's say I have given, if I select C customer, so here let's go to the passbook, and here so RD10. So now you can check the installment tracker. So it is changed to 2350 because that dividend is divided and installment amount is changed now. So here, from here you can receive this amount by cash or bank. So I will just receive by cash and click to receive. And just refresh this. So here you can see the green button, the green color means the amounts received successfully. So this time in cheat fund, what we can do, we can just gathered member in group and then set their member account, and then we can plan the auction, and after that, after the auction declared, the cheat declared, we can do the collection of that members, and next again we can declare the next cheat and we can price one customer one by one. Hope you understand this, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.